Glowing skin juice recipe: purple cabbage, pineapple, lemon, and ginger. Ingredients: 1/4 purple cabbage, half pineapple, 1 piece of ginger, 2-3 cinnamon. 1. Wash all ingredients thoroughly. 2. Chop the cabbage, pineapple, lemon, and ginger into small pieces. 3. Blend or juice the ingredients. 4. Strain to remove pulp if desired, and add ice for a refreshing drink. Beauty benefits: purple cabbage, anti-aging, brightens skin, reduces wrinkles. Pineapple, natural exfoliant, hydrates, leaves skin smooth. Lemon, reduces dark spots, evens skin tone, cleanses pores. Ginger, anti-inflammatory, improves blood circulation, gives skin a rosy glow. Drinking this juice regularly will help your skin look radiant and full of life.